Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some beautiful Halloween nails for you. Make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you can make sure you never miss an upload. So I'm starting out on hard gel nails. I had just done a fill for this set, and so I'm just wiping off the set with alcohol to make sure there is no debris left. For this set of nails, I am using Beetles Gel Hocus Pocus set and also their Basics set. You guys make sure you watch the video the whole way through. I do have a giveaway, so I will make sure I give you the details of that later on in the video. This is the orange glitter from the Hocus Pocus set. It's my favorite color out of the set because, oh my gosh, guys, look how pretty it is. Oh, I love it. This video is going to be full of treats for you because I also have a kind of spooky story. I figured Halloween nails, let's tell a ghost story, right? The one thing I need to let you know about this set is that you will see a nail further on in the video. It will be my middle nail, and you'll see it covered in dots. I didn't leave it that way. The picture that you saw in the beginning, that's how it ended up being in the end. It has the bloody drip down it instead. So just ignore the dots because that was not the finished product. I changed my mind after I used a dotting tool to put a million dots on the nail, okay? So this color is from the Basics set, and of course both the sets, everything I use in today's video will be linked down below in the description, so make sure you check the description box for any information on what I am using today. So, for my ghost story. So, my husband actually didn't believe in ghosts. I absolutely have always believed in them. I've had like ghostly encounters since I was a child, okay? So I've always believed in them. So, see, my daughter was about maybe 3. Yep, I think she was 3. And my son was 5, but he was staying at a friend's house. He wasn't home that night. So we lived in this old house, and it was on the same block as a cemetery. And I had seen a ghost, like this little boy ghost over and over in this house, okay? So my husband didn't believe in ghosts, so he didn't really believe me. He was just very skeptical. He was like, okay, sure, yeah, you're seeing a little boy ghost, whatever, okay. What time was it? How much sleep had you had? So one night we're sitting in the living room and it's pretty late, and my daughter's asleep in her bedroom, and like I said, my son was gone staying with someone else that night. My daughter's bedroom door was not fully closed, but like maybe halfway closed. All of a sudden, the door slams and we can hear my daughter screaming, just screaming. Like high-pitched, I'm in trouble, come help me, screams. So my husband jumps up, runs across to her bedroom door, and he's trying to open it, and he's like, I can't open it. Oh my gosh, what's going on? And I thought, I don't know, maybe just it was stuck. It's an old house, you know, maybe she was sitting against the door or something. So I get up and go over to try to get into the bedroom because my daughter's in there just screaming nonstop. It's just a nonstop scream. So I go over and I try to open the door, and I can't get it open either. And we were like, what is going on? So I got real freaked out. And I kind of like did a run and jump onto the little couch, and I was like, oh my god, what's going on? So my husband's still trying to get into the bedroom, but he can't get it open. Finally, he steps back for a minute. I don't know, maybe he was thinking of a way to get in there or something, but he steps back for a minute.
And the screaming stops.
Just stops. So as soon as the screaming stops, he opens the door.
And my daughter is dead asleep on her bed.
Not upset, not even awake, just content asleep on her bed. Isn't that so creepy? Oh my god, it was ridiculous. So he was like,
what the heck just happened?
I was freaked out, okay? Just freaked out. So he was like, okay, that was ridiculous. Something was happening that night. And he wasn't really saying it was a ghost, but he was more open to the idea, right? So the next day, mind you,
I had seen this little boy ghost maybe 2 times.
And I told my husband about it, but I didn't talk about it near my kids because I didn't want them to be afraid in our home, This is where we were living. I didn't want them to be afraid. So I was very careful to make sure I never talked about it in front of them. So the next day, we are talking to my daughter, and we were like, honey, did you have a bad dream last night? We heard some screaming. We tried to come in, and then we didn't tell her we couldn't get in or anything. We were just when we came in, you were just asleep. Didn't seem to be upset or anything. And she was like,
no, I was fine.
And then she goes,
the little boy came and visited me last night.
And we were like, what? And she was like,
yeah, I saw the little boy last night.
I said, what little boy, honey?
And she describes a little boy. And I swear to God, guys, she described the little boy I had been seeing.
It was so freaking creepy. My husband was like, what? So after that, he believed in ghosts a bit more, okay?
Every time we touch, your hands are colder, colder. There's no beating coming from your wooden chest. Frozen grin, a mannequin. When I get closer, I can see the strings that underneath your vest. If you can cry real tears, then you're gonna cry them all for me. If you can feel real fears, then
Okay, so this is where you can see that dotted nail, and like I said, I ended up filing it off because I changed it. So I'm just using my rhinestone gel and my top coat, and I'm using my, bigger gems and some smaller AB rhinestones just to create clusters on the 2 nails that are that dark purple wine color. So I started using this container. I had actually gotten it at the Dollar Tree. It's 2 separate containers. One of them has 3 sections and a lid, and the other one is just this open container. It's kind of like a tray. So I set the section 1 into the tray, and I just kind of pull out the sizes of gems that I need into the 3 different sections so that they're not all mixed up together. And that way I do it over the tray and everything and over the sections, because if I lose the gem off of the little wax pencil that I'm using, if I lose it, it just falls right back into that tray. So it's a nice setup for me. It's worked out really nicely. I do have to say thank you guys so much for all of your support and love. I'm so excited. I'm about to hit 500 subscribers. That's why we're doing the giveaway. I have another giveaway coming up for you guys right after this one. So I just wanted to kind of give back and do what I can for you guys, because I really appreciate all the support that you've shown me. So for my giveaway, are you guys ready? It's really exciting. So Beetles is sponsoring my giveaway. Thank you so much to Beetles. You guys know how much I love this company. First of all, I do need to let you know that unfortunately this giveaway is not international. It is for the US only, and that is because it is being sponsored by Beetles. So my next giveaway will be international, so make sure you have your notifications turned on because I will be posting that video in about a week, and you guys will definitely want to stay tuned for that one and make sure that you are entering into that giveaway. So the prize for this giveaway is, drum roll please, a starter set. This set includes a 6-pack of polishes. You've got the lamp, you've got cuticle oil and cuticle pusher, just everything you guys could need to start or add to your collection. It's an amazing set, and I'm so excited about this prize for one of you guys. Okay, so now for the rules. Of course, this information will be listed in my description box as well. So if you need to have a reminder or anything, check the box down below. So for my US people, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bells are turned on. You're going to want to do that whether or not you're in the US so that you know when my next giveaway is posted. So once you've done that, make sure that you go over to my Instagram and follow me there. I will be checking once the winner is chosen to make sure all the rules have been followed, and make sure that you are following Beetles on Instagram as well. And then just please list your Instagram name down below so that I have a way of contacting you to let you know that you are the winner. Once I have announced the winner, I need you to please contact me back within 24 hours to claim your prize and give me your information. Otherwise, I would have to redraw. Now, this prize is not being sent by me. Beetles will be sending it to you directly. So, super exciting, guys. Again, one more time, here's the prize that you can win. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I have a link to the Amazon item down below so that you can check out all of the information for what is included in this prize. Thank you again so much to Beetles for sponsoring my giveaway. Okay, so back to the video. So, for blood drips, first of all, I'm doing this on my non-dominant hand. Well, I'm doing it on my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, so it's a little tricky. So what I'm doing is I used a dotting tool to create just some circles, some dots, where I wanted the end of the blood to land. Then I do a straight line up to kind of connect it up to the top. That will be adjusted and fixed later.
Chosen to seek professional assistance in understanding the art of human love. Step 1. Engage your partner in a series of increasingly intimate questions. Then, answer the same questions openly and truthfully. Step 2. Wait until an appropriate level of personal rapport has been achieved before participating in skin-on-skin contact. Step 3.
Now I am creating some kind of swoops or kind of like a half circle-ish shape, just to give it that kind of dripping effect. And then I'm filling in the gap all the way up to the cuticle.
bodies have reached climax, continue to hold each other in a close embrace.
So once that's been filled in, I am now going to perfect my little drops even further. So what I do is I take my brush and I angle it kind of on the side of the little circle. And if you can see, I kind of angle it back towards the line that I had created before. So it's almost like you're making a triangle on top of your circle, but it's a very thin one almost. And that just helps round out the circle so that it's not like that perfect circle by itself. And it does make it more of a drip effect. You see what I mean, right? You see it. I don't know. I think it's probably easier to watch it than for me to describe it. But that's it, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Again, I'm super excited, and thank you to Beetles for sponsoring my giveaway. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know what you want to see for my next Halloween set. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!